Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, we are going to solve the first question in exercise 3.2. We are looking at the second subdivision in that question. Now let's look at the numerical. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the substitution method. The equations are s minus t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Let's note the equations. So s minus t is equal to 3, s by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now since this is a method of substitution, let's try to write one variable in terms of another variable. For this, I'm going to use the first equation. So s can be rearranged as 3 plus t. This is what I'm going to substitute in the second equation. So wherever there is s, I'm replacing it with by 3 plus t by 3 plus t by 2 is equal to 6. Now I need to take an LCM, which is 6. So do a cross multiplication. 2 into 3 plus 2 plus 3t is equal to 6. I have placed the denominator already. Simplify the numerator. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 2t plus 3t divided by 6 is equal to 6. So 6 plus 5t by 6 is equal to 6. If I take the 6 there, 6 plus 5t is equal to 36, or 5t is equal to this 36 minus 6 is 30. So t is equal to 6. So now we got the value of t. We can calculate the value of s. What is s? T plus 3. So 6 plus 3, s is equal to 9. So mentally cross verify your answer by substituting in both the equations. So 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Answer is right. Now 9 by 3 is 3 plus 6 by 2 is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. So we are able to substitute and also verify that our answer is correct. So in the next video, we will similarly solve the third subdivision in this question.
Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.